Good day, everyone. Learn how to check the data usage in Samsung phone or any other manufacturer phone. So to check the data, how much data you have used, just go to the settings first and look for data or network or connections. If you're unable to find it, just click on the search icon and type data and you will find data usage, data saver. We will click on data usage and again you will find data usage. We will click on that and there you will find the data usage, how much data has been used and how many apps, which all apps are allowed for network. You can check that. It is important which app is taking the data. So this is how you can check the data usage in Samsung phone. Subscribe for more tutorials like this. Have a wonderful day.